Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today is day 23 of the 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap. Thank you for hanging in there if you've been here throughout all the videos. If you've missed any and are interested to see what I either received or gave, you can watch for the playlist at the end of the video. But on day 23, I am gifting my swap partner a paper pad, but I've already wrapped it up. So, day 23, but this is the paper pad I am sharing. It's a 6x8 paper pad, Marigold Crepe Paper, Maggie Holmes collection. And if you've seen the previous videos, you know I've sent a few things in this collection that she'll be able to use, I hope. So this is day 23. We're almost there. Are you done shopping? You don't have much time. Hope you guys are having a great holiday season and not letting the hustle and bustle get to you. Relax, take a breath. Enjoy it, enjoy it. You know, this year has been so crazy, so crazy. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. A happy holiday season. Like the video, consider sharing it. Hope you're here to subscribe and stay and join me. Feel free to leave me comments below. Until my next video, shakas.